Welcome back to Cars View channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a true game changer in the world of minivans, the 2025 Kia Carnival. It's more than just a family hauler. It's a luxury statement, a tech haven, and a powerhouse on wheels. Is this the minivan of the future? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Kia Carnival has undergone a stunning makeover. Up front, you'll find an aggressive grille flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that give it a futuristic vibe. The sculpted lines on the body and the aerodynamic roofline make it look more like an SUV than a minivan. And those 20-inch alloy wheels? They're a chef's kiss for style. Plus, Kia now offers a range of vibrant new colors, including the eye-catching Aurora Blue Metallic. It's safe to say the Carnival is turning heads in 2025. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxury lounge on wheels. The 2025 Kia Carnival sets a new benchmark for comfort and technology. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, available in multiple two-tone combinations, giving it a premium look and feel. The dashboard, a marvel of innovation. It boasts a massive 12.3-inch digital cluster seamlessly integrated with a 14-inch infotainment system. And the tech doesn't stop there. The Carnival is loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and even ambient lighting with customizable themes. Now let's pop the hood. The 2025 Kia Carnival offers an impressive 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain, delivering a robust 290 horsepower. For those who crave efficiency, Kia has introduced a plug-in hybrid variant boasting an electric-only range of 50 miles, perfect for city commutes. The Carnival's 8-speed automatic transmission ensures buttery-smooth shifts, and the upgraded suspension system makes it a dream to drive, whether you're on the highway or tackling winding roads. Plus, with an optional AWD system, it's ready for any adventure you throw at it. So, there you have it, the 2025 Kia Carnival, a minivan that redefines what a family vehicle can be. With its bold design, luxurious interior, cutting-edge tech, and impressive performance, this is a minivan that's anything but ordinary. But what do you think? Does the Carnival deserve the crown for the ultimate family vehicle of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.